The estimated number of homeschooled students in state A is approximately what percent greater than the number in state D? So this is a percent increase, decrease problem. So what you want to do is subtract your two numbers and then divide by approximately what percent greater than the number in state D. So we're trying to compare A to D, so you're going to divide by D. So find the difference, and that's 181 minus 79 divided by 79. And then what I would do, it says approximately. So when it says approximately, you can mess with your numbers to make the math easier, because this is going to be nasty math dividing by 79. So let's change those to 80s. 181 minus 80 over 80. And that would give me 101 over 80. But I'm going to go a step further and call that 100 over 80. And then cross those, divide both by 10. So then you've got 10 divided by 8. And if you want, just go ahead and do long division, or you could reduce that to 5/4, whatever. If I do 10 divided by 8, that's 1. 8 will go into 10 1 times. 1 times 8 is 8. There's my decimal. Subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. Add a 0. Bring down a 0. 8 will go into 20. 2 times 8 is 16. That's 4. Bring down another 0. 8 will go into 45. And that's 1.25. But we want to make that a percent. So you need to multiply that by 100. So you're going to get 125%.